Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make money blogging. Okay, if you watch my video on how to start a food blog, you can see it's still sitting at number 1 on how to start a food blog. I say how to start a food blog that makes over $500,000 per year. Okay, that's pretty good. I show you how to make the actual website, and I've seen people complaining saying the first thing you said was to show us how to make money from it, but did not go over that part. Great info though, just a little bit misleading. Okay, all good. In this video, I'll show you how you can actually make money from this website. So the website is called Cookie and Kate. If you haven't watched my video, go watch this video on how to start a food blog. And after you created your website, look, I've got a lot of videos on how to start a food blog, travel blog, sports blog, personal blog, and how to actually start a blog only in 5 minutes. So if you don't have time, you can just watch that 5-minute video and then come back here and watch me show you how you can make money from your blog. Also, I'll show you this website apparently is making, right now it's showing $390,000 per year. Okay, so when you look at this website, it looks pretty innocent, right? This website is making $390,000 per year, and this is just a simple innocent food blog that's just full of text and images, nothing really special. Probably looks nothing really special, but this is literally printing money, and I show you how she is making money, and you can do it as well. Let's get started. So in order to see how much this website is making, go to Google and search for worth of website. Okay, so this calculator is called worthofweb.com. You come in here and then scroll down a little bit and copy and paste the URL. It's called cookieandk.com. Let me just analyze it. Scroll down. Okay. So the report is up to date. This website is worth over $1.7 million. This is the value of this website, and it is making over $1,000 per day, $32,000 per month, and almost $400,000 per year. So when I created this video, which was about, I think it was about a year ago, which was over a year ago, it was showing over $500,000, and now it's showing almost $400,000. So this is all estimates, but right now you can see this is making over $390,000 per year. And you may be wondering, how is it possible to make that much money with this website? I'll show you exactly how it's possible. Let's get started. So when you check the website, the first source of income for this website is, I don't know if you can notice it or not, it's ad revenue. Okay, you can see all these ads, they're paying her money. This one down the bottom. And if you're wondering how much money she's making from the ad revenue, this is complete passive income. You don't literally do anything to make money from ads revenue. You just show it on your website. Okay, in order to see how much money she makes, we have to see how much traffic she gets. So let's go back to this website called Uber Suggest. Let me just copy and paste the website and see how much traffic she gets per month, so we can guess how much money she's making from the ad revenue. 18 million monthly visits. This is incredible, man. This is absolutely crazy. So if you're wondering how much that means, let me show you this one. I've checked out this website. So if you want to start with the ad revenue, if you want to show ad on your website, the platform that I personally recommend to start with is Zoic, because the traffic requirement is none. You don't need to have hundreds of thousands of monthly visits. You can start with only a couple of hundred or a couple of thousands, and then you get between $10 to $40 per 1,000. I have basically I've tested on one of my websites for 2,000 visits. I think I made about $15 to $16. So it is about $8 for my niche. One of my websites that has a very low CPA. So I think this is pretty okay. But in this case, that's 18 million. Let me do the calc, man. This is 18 million. 1, 2, 3. If I divide it with 1,000, for every 1,000 visits, if every 1,000 visits is $1, she's making $18,000 per month. $18,000 per month. And here it says between $10 to $40. Let's say she's only making $5. Okay, multiply that by 5, only 5. That's about $90,000 per month only from ad revenue. I got to tell you something. You got to be realistic. 18 million is just incredible, man. Not all the websites are going to make this much money. She's a very well-established website, and she's making 18. She has 18 million monthly visits. If you would like to make money from ads, I recommend using Ezoic, as I said before. I'll leave a link in the description below to Ezoic. And once you register, you just need one plugin. You can see the traffic requirement is none. Approval process for Media One is 3 to 4, almost a month. But for this one, it's 24, 48 hours, very quickly. And they pay pretty okay. I think it's slightly lower than this, but still for someone who just started a blog, that can be a nice little extra money on the side. I have used it myself, and you can see for almost 1,000, 2,000 visits, I get about $15, $16, which is about $8 for every 1,000 visits, which is okay. So what you need to do, you need to register for Ezoic. There's a link in the description below for that. After you register, you just need to add one more plugin. I think it's called Ad Inserter. And once you install that and activate it, you can connect the Ad Inserter to Ezoic and start making money almost instantly. So the second source of income for this website after ad revenue is through affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, is basically promoting other people's product. And one of the most popular platforms is called ClickBank. So what you need to do to register for this website, and after you register, you can promote other people's products. And you can see we got products for everything from art and entertainment, cooking, food and wine, fiction, games, health and fitness. There are lots of products to promote, okay? For example, I can search for food here in this case and wine. Okay, food and wine doesn't have that many good products, I think. Let me just sort it by gravity. By gravity, it means number of people. Keto resources. Keto resources, what I can do is to promote it. And with every sale, I got about $27. What I need to do, I need to register. And after I registered, I'm going to promote it. Now you need to put in your nickname. Let's say my test, for example, is my name, and then you create a hop link. By creating a hop link, you get a unique link. Okay, you copy the link, and then you write articles about keto, and then at the top or at the bottom or at the middle of your blog post, you can mention if you like to have access to the keto resources, and then you promote it. Okay, if you have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people visiting your website, you're going to get a lot of sales from promoting affiliate offers. And I'll show you one of the affiliate offers that she's making money from. Now, let me go back to Google and search for this keyword, how to start a food blog. And you can see this is a very good keyword, an expensive one. You got 1, 2, 3 ads. And now we got a masterclass number 1 and Cookie and Kate position number 2. She's sitting at position number 2 for this keyword. It's a very, very difficult keyword to rank for. Let me just click on this blog post. Look, if you want to get ranked for this keyword, it's super difficult to do it, man. You need decent authority for your website to get ranked for this keyword. Now, she's talking about how you can actually create a website, a food blog, and she is basically promoting Bluehost. Okay, you can check the availability and get it. It says you can get it free domain name for the first year, get it for free with Bluehost plan. And once you click here and buy Bluehost, she gets commission. And because she's getting more than 10 sales a month, she's getting $130. So let me just copy this URL and see how much traffic she gets from this one. Okay, I already did it. So you can just copy and paste it using Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is okay, it does the job, but you can only do 3 searches a day. If you want another cheaper option, I'll probably recommend using Keysearch. I'll leave a link in the description below. That does the job and is reasonably cheaper and it's okay. So for this keyword, for this URL, it is getting 17,839 visits per month. Okay, so let's say from this 17,839 people who are visiting this blog post, every 300 visits, one person buys Bluehost. That will be another almost 60 sales per month. And that will be 60 sales. Multiply that by $130 per sign up. That's another $7,800 times 12. So she's making another $93,000 from Bluehost and this blog post alone. So other than Bluehost, I'm sure there are other affiliate products that she's making money from that I'm probably not aware of, but this is just the potential. So let me go back to the website, okay? Now, if you scroll up, you can see at the top of the page, we got cookbook. This is another source of income for this blog. Let me just click on cookbook. So she basically has a cookbook teaching people how to cook, okay? And now available on Amazon. Let me just open it. Okay, let me see how much that is. So this cookbook is going to cost you $17.5, $17.50, right? And it is almost 100% profit. I don't know how much Amazon, I think maybe, I don't know, maybe 10% Amazon gets for that. So let's say $15, she gets $15, right? This is all profit. Okay, sorry, it's hard copy is $17.50. The Kindle is almost $6. So let's say from 18 million people who come into this website, 18 million people, every 10,000 people, one person buys a book. I think that makes sense. Divided by 10,000. 10,000. Okay, from every 10,000 people, one person buys the hard copy. Okay, that would be 1,800 sales. Okay, and from this $17.5, only she gets $7. Okay, only $7 from that would be profit. That would be still $12,600 times 12. This is still $151,000 from the books. Crazy, man. You can see how much a simple food blog, how much potential does a simple food blog has, man. How much money you can make from multiple sources of income from a simple blog. Okay, and it's not the end. We still got one more source of income. Let me go back to this website. Okay, let me scroll up. We talked about the cookbook. We got shop as well. Okay, let me click on shop. So once you click on shop, it goes directly to Amazon. Cookie and Kate, she has a shop. Okay, so what happens? She's basically selling products. These are the products. The cookbook is here, the 10 items, and there are other items. There are all other cooking tools and materials. She's also selling camera, right? Food photography, everything that's related to food, she's making money from. Okay, and you look, if she's selling on Amazon, you know how much money you can make by selling on Amazon by FBA. I think that's how she's basically selling. So she's selling different things, kitchen appliances and things like that. So with that sort of traffic that she's sending only from her website, I don't know how much money she's just making from this one. Okay, so she's, I think, making well over $1 million, from the ad revenue, from affiliate marketing, from Bluehost, from their cookbook, and Amazon FBA. So that's how she's making money from this website. So if you still haven't started making your website, I think you're missing out. So go watch my video on how to start a food blog. Watch this video on how you can start a food blog today. Or if you just want a simple blog, I'll leave a link in the description below to all the videos. Go watch them. Try to start making your websites. Even if you're not ready to put content, by having a website, as long as your website gets older, it gets a little bit more authority as well, which is good for your website as well. So I personally recommend starting your website today, and then you can add quality content like what she's doing, see what she's doing, replicate what she's doing, and literally start printing money and live a life you like. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I appreciate if you tap that like button, because more people can actually watch this video and learn about blogging and making money online. And if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe and tap the little bell so you don't miss out the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.